So that is not clouds. That's the volcano erupting. I think episode 41. It is the 24th of January 2026. And as you can tell, the wind is blowing towards us. And all of that, a lot of that is like ash. And so when I'm walking, I'm actually stepping on ash. All of that brown stuff, that's like ash falling from the sky. Wow. It's kind of like pumice. It's really light. I guess it's like silica, I'm guessing. And that's why I can fly, because it's so light, it can fly up in the air and then the wind carries it over. Wow, pretty crazy. Well, I guess the roof is gonna have to be cleaned because it's covering the roof of the house. Maybe that sun trying to come through those volcanic clouds. That's the sun right there. And you can hear the volcano in the background. Wow. It looks like some of them are Billy's hair. Just look at this. This is from the volcano. Guess I'm gonna have to shake off the water catchment cover. Yeah, it's really light. It just breaks in your hands. Oh, gonna have to rinse everything off. Hopefully the rain will do that. But I think for now I'm gonna disconnect the catchment so that that doesn't go in our catchment system, in our water catchment. Yeah, just gonna disconnect it. Oh.